Hello प्यारे बच्चों. Today again I am with you with the class 7th topic mensuration, and now I am going to talk about the area of circle. So this is the part 1 where we will derive the formula for the area of circle. So here we are going to talk about derivation of formula of area of circle, right? So this is the question. This is the topic that we are going to cover here. See, this is one circle. Now, if we see this complete length, that means length all around is perimeter. Okay. So length of circle boundary is circumference that we have done in the previous videos. Now its value is 2 pi r. What is its value? 2 pi r. Now what I have done, I have made the diameter n number of diameters, and accordingly I have cut these small triangles. Now I have arranged all these triangles as upside down, alternatively upside down. So what is happening? If we see, this total pi r has been divided into two parts. Upper part is also pi r and the lower part is also pi r. Right? Now if we see the vertical distance from this point to this, it is equal to radius. Now we know that the area of any quadrilateral, it is looking like a quadrilateral, which is looking like the parallelogram. So if we talk about the area of any quadrilateral, so it is product of two perpendicular dimension. So one dimension which is horizontal, that is pi r, and the vertical dimension is r. So area of circle that is pi r. It is horizontal dimension multiplied by r. This is the vertical dimension, which will be equal to pi r square. So in this way you will be able to find out the area of circle. Got it? So you can do this experiment on your own. आप जितने छोटे मतलब if you are making more number of diameters, आप उतने ही narrow triangles cut कर पाएंगे, and when you arrange them alternatively upside down in this way, तो आपको बहुत similar सा मतलब very approximately you will get one parallelogram. तो पैरेललोग्राम का बेस आपका पाई आर होगा और उसका जो परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस या हाइट होगी वो होगी इक्वल टू रेडियस. आप दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, यू विल गेट द एरिया ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर सर्कल. बहुत ही ईजी वे में यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड. सो नाउ I think it is clear to you how to find out the area of circle. Now I am going to talk about the questions. So the first question is, a circle of radius 2 centimeter is cut out from a square piece of an aluminum sheet of side 6 centimeter. Understood? So the side of the square piece, what they are saying, just make the frame, just make one image or picture of for this. This is the square sheet. Okay, just rough diagram. It will give you the clear idea that how the things are going done. A circle of radius 2 centimeter. A circle of radius 2 centimeter. Suppose this is the circle and it is cut from it. Okay, so this is the 2 centimeter. Now what is the area of leftover part? So this area, if you see now, this I am putting these lines here. This area is leftover area, right? So you need to find out the area of the leftover sheet. So it is very simple, because from the area is removed. So just find out area of leftover sheet. So area of square minus area of circle. 6 multiplied 6 minus pi r square, that is 2 square. Now 6 multiplied 6, 36 minus, here it is said take pi equals to 3.14. So just take that and now do the subtraction. 36 minus here it will come 12.56. So just do the subtraction. 36.00 minus 12.56. So 0 minus 6, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. So area of leftover sheet is 23.44 centimeters. So in this way we can solve this question. Area of leftover sheet is 23.44 centimeter. This question can be said in that way also. Suppose there is a square garden, or say there is a rectangular garden. In this one circular tank is made. So just find out the area of remaining garden, or cost of laying the grass in the remaining garden. In this way also it can be given, but the same solution will go. And if they are asking cost of laying the grass in the remaining part, so after finding out the area of this remaining portion, you multiply with the cost. So in this way you can do these questions. Now we are moving to the next question. Now moving to the next question. The question says, from a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. Find the area of remaining sheet. Almost same concept is there. In the previous question, the sheet was square. Here it is circular. So just make the bigger circle. Its radius is 4 cm. Okay. Now from this one small circle whose radius is 3 cm, it is cut. So you need to find out the area of remaining portion. What is the remaining portion? This portion is your remaining portion. Got it? Here this portion is your remaining portion. You need to find out the area of this part. So simply from the outer circle area, remove the inner area circle. Okay. Now here you need to learn the calculation technique. So how we do that? Area of remaining sheet. That is pi 4 square minus pi 3 square. What is common here? Pi. Now what is left? 4 square minus 3 square. Now whenever the situation is like this, that means suppose there are two numbers, a square minus b square. They are the two numbers whose square are subtracted from each other. So how you are going to solve it? You need not to find out the square at first, then subtract it. No. Do one thing. One time add both the numbers, and one time subtract both the numbers and then multiply. Okay. So whenever a square minus b square is there, just add one time and subtract one time. Whatever the answer will come, you just multiply both of them. So here it is 4 square minus 3 square. So one time 4 plus 3 you do, and one time you do 4 minus 3. So what you are going to get? 22 upon 7. The value of pi. 4 plus 3 means 7. 4 minus 3 means 1. Now see how much calculation has reduced. Very quickly by the trick you have solved it. So with the questions also keep learning the tricks also. That are time saving tricks, and in competition these type of tricks are very useful. Okay. So area of remaining sheet, as in the question they have not specified what the value we should take of pi, so that we have taken 22 upon 7. So 22 centimeter square. So in this video, I have covered two questions, derive the formula for area of the circle. Consecutively, I will make two more videos on area of circle where I am going to cover different kinds of questions, as well as one last video on mensuration of circle. Mensuration I will make, which will include the circle also, quadrilaterals also, and triangles also. And in that video, I am going to tell you the very tricky questions, which are the hot questions. So, for getting all the help and benefits of my questions, you can stay connected with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. And the most important thing, practicing maths is the important thing. Don't forget to do that. Good luck.